Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by confirming the basics that affect Data Saver. You're signed into the right YouTube account, and the app is updated. Open YouTube, go to your profile, and check for updates in the App Store. Once done, make sure your device's connection is stable because YouTube auto-switches to Data Saver on slow networks. This immediate check avoids chasing the wrong settings and prepares you to change the actual Data Saver controls next. Now go to Settings and select General. This is where YouTube hides the Data Saver toggle labeled Use Less Mobile Data. Tap to disable it and observe the explanation so you know why playback quality will increase. After that, open playback settings and set video quality preferences to standard or higher for both mobile and Wi-Fi to override aggressive downscaling. These steps change both the explicit saver and the playback defaults, so videos stream at normal quality. Finish by restarting YouTube so changes take effect. Closing the app isn't enough. Fully quit and relaunch. If the Data Saver option reverts, clear the app cache or reinstall because corrupted settings can force the old state. If problems persist, test on another network. Some mobile carriers enforce low bandwidth profiles that mimic Data Saver, so switching Wi-Fi or toggling airplane mode can reveal that. One key trouble.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.